Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Instagram and Instagram marketing and how to create content for your Instagram. Okay, so we're going to jump across. I'm going to show you a site that's totally free that you can join and where you can obviously create all your content. And if you wanted to, as an option to obviously be able to actually post it direct and schedule it direct from this website as well. So once you've made it, scheduled it, you've then got all the content you need for your Instagram marketing and you can just literally set it and forget it. So without further ado, let's jump across, discover that and find out exactly how you can create content for your Instagram. Okay, so we come across to the desktop, and as you can see here, I've come across to a site called Canva. Now it says here, what will you design today? Okay, it said Canva makes it easy to create professional designs to share or print them. So you can sign up for free. So you come across, I'll put a link in the description below here if you want to check out Canva and their free site. Then obviously you can just come across and it'll take you through to this page where you can obviously just click on the sign up for free. Now once you've actually signed up, you'll get through into the desktop. You get through into your dashboard area here, and this will give you obviously where your products are, templates, etc. And we're going to go through some of these now, how easy it is to actually go and create your content for Instagram. Now from the obviously the dashboard here, if we come across to the create a design in the top right hand corner here, so we click on create a design. Now I've been using mine, so I've got obviously some search history here, but if you actually click on this search and we put in Instagram, and as you can see here, it's got an Instagram post, Instagram post square, Instagram post video, profile picture you could do, an Instagram reel, an Instagram story video. So there's loads of different things you can do. So for argument's sake, let's just go and show you how you can do an Instagram post square. So just click on that. That will bring up a square for the correct size for your Instagram. Okay. Now on the left hand side here, you've got various different templates that you could actually use. So you could bring these in if you wanted to. If you looked at there was something that was really took your fancy. It could be something very simple, like a simple image, just as this. Okay. So if we wanted that, we could just click it in there, and as you can see, it obviously loads up. Now as I hover over this, everything is customizable. Okay, so this image here, for argument's sake, you could then upload your own image to go in this space. So you could obviously change the text here by clicking on it, and by then just literally, so I could put in there my name just like that. Okay, so that would make that different. I could put a different thing here. Instead of welcome, you could have a click here or something. So as you can see, everything is customizable. Okay, so you can start with a template, or you could start with a blank template as well, where you could obviously go and create your own image, which could have your own logo, etc. on it, which you can then save as a template. So you could use this over and over again. If we come down here, as you can see, there are various different images. This is a free image as well. If you do come across ones that have got a little pro crown in them, now that is for a pro account and it can only be used with a pro account. But there are hundreds of different designs here, so you could obviously definitely choose some free designs here. As you can see, this one is 8 pages long. So again, if you've got something that you wanted to explain and you wanted to put it through more onto a story or something like that, you could then just click this one and it opens up all the different pages here. So you literally just individually edit each page and just click again, and it comes across into the actual space here where you can obviously edit it. And again, if you wanted to do the next one, you can do the next one, okay, and so on. It's obviously got things again which you can just click on and edit. So that's how easy it is to actually create using the Canva. Now if we wanted to go across and maybe we wanted to choose a video, okay, so if we wanted to do, for argument's sake, a reel, Instagram reel, So we click on the Instagram Reels. You can see it's given us a different size template. And again, it's given us templates that we can use. So if we wanted to use these templates, we can. Again, obviously just click on the icon there and then just add in various different templates. And again, these are all customizable. Okay. So again, this is showing how quickly you can choose between outfits, so that sort of thing. But again, there's nothing stopping you. If you click on the uploads button here, you can then upload files into Canva of your own. So you could upload videos and you can upload obviously images, all that sort of thing, which come into your Canva desktop here. And then obviously you can then drag them in to the center piece here and use those particular images. And again, these are obviously the same size as a mobile phone. So if you wanted to record something on your mobile phone, transfer it across, you can do that very, very easily. And again, you can add text and other images, photos. So there's loads of different things. If you didn't want to create your own videos, you can obviously go and create their videos as well. So again, if we come down, click on that one, and again click, so we'll replace the current page. As you can see, we've got something there, so you could use this image, and if you were selling something, you could obviously put all your information in the text just there. So very, very easy, very simple. Now once you've actually created your designs, you can then obviously save them within inside the Canva. So if you wanted to obviously schedule this, so if you come to share and then we click down share on social and then we click Instagram business, and I've obviously added my business account on here, and it's also saying it's an MP4 video, so that's what we want. So we can write then a description there with some hashtags, so you can put in whatever you like, and then obviously it says here you can actually schedule it for later. Okay, now the only thing with this, like I say, it is an option, but it's only available to schedule with the Pro account. Now the Canva Pro account obviously gives you far more images and obviously videos, etc., and templates you can use, and it's only about, I think it costs about $15 a month, so not really much at all. And if you could actually go and schedule all your Instagram content, then this is going to be well worth the $15. And all you need to do is come down here and then click on schedule, and then you can add this to whatever time and date you want it to go out, and then just click done, and then this will be posted directly to your Instagram account automatically. So you can literally do a whole week's content, a whole month's content in one go, and then just set it and forget it, and you know everything is going out live when you want it to on Instagram. So if you are looking to do create obviously your content for Instagram, then I would certainly check out Canva. It's definitely worthwhile. It's probably one of the best products out there. I use it every day, mainly for my YouTube channel, because you can do other you can obviously create other designs across all your social media. Plus, obviously, you've obviously got other things you can create as well, which you could then print up, such as brochures and all that sort of thing. So definitely check out Canva today and find out exactly how you can use it to create your content for Instagram. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.